got some cloth underneath there under the oil filter, so now I'm just trying to turn this oil filter loose to the left. Oof, looks like it's not going to be done by hand. Looks like I need some wrench tool, filter wrench tool, so I'm going to try to get it. As you can see here, so I'm going to try to use this tool now, and it's very easy. You just set it to the right length, and then you just turn this thing either counterclockwise or clockwise. So here you have it. Must have in order to change the oil. So I'm going to loop this around and try to see if I can turn counterclockwise. Not quite. These two nuts so I can get the power back out of the way, so I can be able to get this filter turned. Use that rubber filter removal thing, and I couldn't remove this oil filter even after I removed the power out of the thing. Use this big plumber wrench to turn this thing counterclockwise. This after I replace it, because this is just amazing. Yeah. Okay. So you can see it's pretty good in there, but this oil filter was so hard to remove. I had to use plumber tool to remove it. Nothing is easy. So this tool was useless, and here's the new filter, and I'm just gonna use some oil to lubricate this so that it's easier to get loose, get off when I have to remove it. And remember, it's hand tightened. It's not let me see, this one, the rubber ring is in there, so I'm just gonna try to put this back on. Hand tighten is good. You don't need to over tighten this thing, you know. So the oil filter always just hand tighten. Never use any tool, you know. Just hand tighten this. Just try to turn it until you can't turn this thing, and you're good. Okay, that's good. Now I can remove this, and I can put the two power packs back in, you know, and nothing is as easy as the YouTube video they show you, you know. Oh yeah, it's so easy. It's not. I had to destroy the old filter in order to remove it. So